Hi everyone, in today's video, as you already noticed by the video name, I will tell you with the numbers what exactly happens to rental market in Dubai. So, as you probably understand, real estate as an asset is not volatile at all. But in real estate market and in Dubai's real estate market as well, we have a part of it which is very volatile. It's rental market. So, rental market instantly reacts to what's going on, and in our case it reacts to what happened in the last days of the February 2026 after Iranian attacks. I just wanted to show you what has changed, how the prices reacted, how the number of transactions reacted, and everything like this with numbers. So after this video you will not have any questions what it's like, what is the rental market in Dubai in spring 2026. Here we go. So first of all, I will show you the number of transactions of the new rental contracts in the last 12 months. So as you see in May, today is 20th of May, and we have 15,000 new rental contracts registered already. So we can expect around 22.5K by the end of the month. And if you check the number of the June 2025 transactions, it's 24K, which is comparable. So naturally, the least number of contracts, if we speak about rentals, it's May, June. On July, it's already starting to increase, and it reaches its peak on September, October, and the peak in terms of the volume of the transactions. So we see how the number decreased, but I don't see that it's actually decreased, because in May it will be the same amount of rental contracts as in June 2025. So let me show you another number. If we put from March the 1st to the May 20th, the last 81 days, we will see what happened to the prices of the new rentals and renewed rentals. So as you can see on the screen, the average rent is 55,000 dirhams a year for the new contracts, and for renewed contracts it's 63.5 thousand. And it compares when you see that minus 30% for the new ones and minus 2 for renewed ones in terms of the price. I will explain how it works, how the change is calculated. It compares with 81 days, which were previous period from what we measure now. So it may sound like it's a catastrophe, but it's not actually, because let me show you another number which will explain you why it happens and on what level of crisis we are now. So this is another resource called Property Monitor. Dubai in general, how do I put it? Okay, we go for all areas in the last year. This is very informative chart actually. So let me show you these numbers because they are very interesting, and after this chart you will not have any questions what happened to the rental market in Dubai. So this is all rentals by month, and this chart shows you two numbers: average price per square foot for the active listings and for the rental contracts themselves, which were registered, renewed or new. Both of them counts, which were registered in every month. So now we are on the level of 82 dirhams per square foot for the rental contracts, and obviously this number is insane, 120 dirham per square foot for the active listings. But active listings, it's not so important, so don't really think about it in any way. So 82, remember this number, 82 dirham per square foot. And let's see at the February level is 86. And let's check when we were exactly at the same level of 82 dirham per square foot previously. So for example, it's January. For example, it's July 2025, we are at 80. So lower than now. And May 2025, we are at 79 dirham per square foot. Even though the number of contracts decreased, obviously decreased, not significantly, but it did. The price has changed really slightly. So if you have a good unit, you have actually nothing to worry about. And I will show you the community where I live myself, for example, show you the same data for exactly that community. And you will be surprised how good communities react and how resilient they are even to such uncertain times. So in Dubai Hills, the current rent is 143 dirham per square foot. And let's check, for example, February, January, and all the other months. 143, remember this number? February 150, January 149. So let's check when we had 143. Okay, I found it already. September 2025, we are 142 dirhams. So even in April 2026, 2 months after the Iranian attack started, we are higher than we were in September. Isn't that surprising? I think it is. So basically, that's all I wanted to tell you. This is what happens to real estate market in Dubai, because rentals react in the first place, then the prices for sale as well react. And for example, what is also interesting, the active listings, for example, in Dubai Hills, we are reaching the market equilibrium here because the active listings prices go down and they go closer to what we have for the new rental contracts. Okay guys, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have your property, you cannot rent out your property, reach me out. I will choose the best strategy for you, because not everyone has strong units to rent them out. So we might consider furnishing it, might consider making some little upgrades. We may consider going for mid-term or short-term rental. So reach me out and I will definitely find the best solution for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.